Hello friends, the successor of Windows 8.1 operating system was launched in July 2015 with the improved interface and lots of security features in place. Yes, I'm talking about the Windows 10 operating system, but as you can see in this operating system, if I go to personalize and if I go to fonts, here these are the default available fonts in Windows 10 operating system, but you don't have option to change the font. In the previous version of Windows like Windows 7, there is an option to change the font family in the personalization settings, and there you had option to change the font, but such feature is absent in Windows 10. So what to do now? Still you can change the system font if you are get bored of the default system font of Windows 10 operating system. In Windows 10 you cannot change the system font easily by changing the settings in the personalization as I have shown you here. You need to change the registry settings, then only you will be able to change the default setting font in Windows 10. So like me, if you are also bored of the system font available in Windows 10 and want to try something new, then you are at the right place, because in this video I am going to explain you step-by-step process to change the default system font in Windows 10 operating system. So let's start the video.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
But there is a word of caution. Before starting this process, since you are going to change the registry, so let me warn you that editing the registry keys might irreversibly damage your system. So to avoid any issue post registry change, I recommend you to back up your personal data, or the ideal way is you can create a system restore point before you move ahead. So as I said, before making change in the registry, you should create the restore point. For that, you can type system restore point, and here you can click on a create a restore point. Now in the dialog box here you can click on the create button, give the name, save font change, okay, and you can click on the create button. So now you can see the restore point was created successfully. Now click on OK. Now you have to start the procedure to change the registry. Now right click on the blank area of the desktop and click on personalize. Now on the left pane, click on the fonts. Now on the right pane, you can see the list of available fonts available in Windows 10 operating system. These are the list of fonts. Okay. Now if you want to choose any of the font from this list, just click on it and you can see the name of the font, that is Arial, and you can see these are the different features of the font. From here only you have to copy this name. Okay, please remember that it should be in the same format. Okay, like it should start with the capital A and then rest of the characters should be small, in a small letter. Now minimize it. Now you have to open the Notepad. Okay, so you can launch the Notepad by click on the Notepad here, and you can launch from here by double clicking on it. Okay, and then you need to paste this code here. So I will give the link in the description. Okay, you can just copy it from the description link and you can paste on the task area of the Notepad. Now here you have to just make a minor change. You can see just at the last line under the codes, enter new font name is written. So just change it with the name of the font which you want to insert, that is Arial. Okay, so type it here, Arial. Now the next task is to save the file. Click on the save as and give the name of the file, say font underscore new underscore Arial, and from the save as type select on the all types and give the extension REG. Save it. So you can see now a font new Arial, the registry file has been created. Now just right click on the file and the first option is merge. Click on that. You will get a notification, you will get a dialog box asking you that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on the yes, and then again you will get a warning that adding information can unintentionally change or delete the values, and that causes the components to stop working correctly. So you have to click on the yes button here. Okay, just click on the yes button and after that restart the computer. You will get the font of your choice after restarting the computer, and you can get rid of old system fonts. In next video I will explain you if you want to revert back to the default system font. If you have already changed the font, then what is the procedure to restore the default system font? So wait for the next video. Till the time, I request you to subscribe our channel and please hit like if you have really liked the video and you got some knowledge. Thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.